Most people starting dropshipping in 2026 think that they're ahead because they're using AI to speed up everything. They find a product in 20 minutes, they build a store in 10, and they write their ads in 5. But once they've launched, reality hits. They spent $500 on ads and made 2 sales. And a majority of them will have no idea what even went wrong. Well, here's what happened. They confused speed with direction. So AI helped them build everything really quickly, but being fast in the wrong direction just means that you're gonna hit a wall faster. And that's the thing with AI. It'll do exactly what you tell it to do, but it won't tell you if what you're doing is actually right. So most people right now are using AI to automate bad decisions. They're not building faster, they're just failing faster. And if you're using AI to make all the decisions for you, you are already behind. But here's the thing, AI isn't the problem, it's how you're using it. So in this video, here's what I'd actually do if I had to start from zero today and I wanted to be successful as quickly as possible. So let's get into it. All right, so before we get into this, you need to understand something that most people completely miss. There's a difference between execution and strategy. And AI just made that difference way more obvious. Execution, it's the tactical stuff. So building your store, writing product descriptions, generating ad copy, all the things that customers can actually see with their eyes. Strategy is the invisible layer behind it. That is the stuff that determines if you're gonna make money or you're gonna burn through your budget. So here's what's happening with AI right now. AI automated execution, which is great. It saves you weeks of work, but most people take that time and they use it to just do more execution. So they'll launch more products, they'll test more stores, they'll run more ads. Basically, they are just gambling faster. So you can build a store in 10 minutes now. That's awesome, right? But without the strategy layer, you're just broke in 10 minutes instead of 2 weeks. So what I'd do instead is use AI to handle execution fast and then use the time that I'm saving to go deeper on the strategy. So I'm gonna show you both parts. First, the execution side. So where AI actually save you time. There are a ton of different AI tools out there. I'm gonna show you the right ones to use. Then what to do with that time. All right, so the first thing, your store. This used to take 2 weeks. You'd pick a theme, you'd customize every page, write all the copy, set up your policies, the whole thing. That would take so much time. It was really tedious. And most of the time you would just pay thousands of dollars to developers to do it for you. Now it takes less than 10 minutes and it looks just as professional, if not better than if a developer did it. And that's not even an exaggeration. I'm gonna show you right now. All right, so I'm gonna show you the most recent AI store builder that I've been using that is a serious game changer. So let's just say that I want to sell this product right here. I really like the product page, or this is a good reference brand. So what you want to do is copy the URL at the top, go back to clone store, we're gonna hit paste link, clone store, and next thing that you want to do is put your best email and password. And now it's gonna start getting the product info. It's gonna be scanning the store using AI. It's gonna figure out exactly what this brand is selling, along with, how they are currently marketing this product. All right, so just like that, the store is now done. So you can see that it scanned the competitor store. It took the current images that they're using and it built out a custom store for us that looks, we didn't do anything, and within a couple minutes, it looks amazing. So what we can do right here is rebrand with AI. So, of course you can change the name right here. If this was Andy's NAD, we can name it that, whatever you want to name it. You can change up the color. Let's just say I want to go and try and match this color of the bottle. Now I'm just going to have it rebrand the entire thing with AI, and it's going to start generating. All right, so with that basic color adjustment and then the product name change, it went ahead and did that, and also rebranded all the images so that they're AI based images. One thing to bear in mind, if your product has packaging on it and it's not like, a regular product, then you're going to have to go in and actually adjust this with AI. Your best bet is to use Nano Banana because it'll actually get the product information pasted properly onto your product. But for now, it just gives you an idea of what it can look like if you insert your own UGC. So this is what it looks like with the original photos. You can go ahead and change up the color options again, use this color. So this is what it looks like with all of our images, and then we can go back to the AI images. But for the sake of this example, I'm gonna use the original along with this color scheme, and then I'm gonna go and create store. But other than that, the entire theme itself is really good. It's a high converting theme. You can see you have all the product details right here, the drop downs, the us versus them. And as you can see, the copy does fall in line with what the product is selling because it uses AI to figure out how your reference company was marketing the product to then create your own custom brand new variation. All right, so the next step is creating a Shopify store. So if we click on this link, we're going to get access to Shopify for $1 for the next 3 months. All right, so the next thing that you're going to want to do is sign up for Shopify. You can see right here, we have a 97% off discount. So we're just going to press subscribe for $1. Next thing, you just need the basic plan. You don't need the Grow or the Advanced. Try basic. Add this all later, skip the customization. All right, so now that we are in our Shopify dashboard, we're gonna go back to clone. It wants us to copy our URL at the top. So we're gonna go and do that and then just paste it right here. We're gonna connect store, choose plan, and then we are just going to subscribe right here. So we'll pay that $1 and then head back and install Blocky. So this app is gonna allow us to make modifications onto our own Shopify store. Just gonna go install. All right, so there's going to be a 3-day free trial for you guys to use this builder and to decide whether or not you like it. So we're just going to press approve. And then now we're going to go back to Blocky and then it's going to start cloning our store. And then it's going to take us to our Shopify store where we can make any of the desired edits. So this is what it looks like on desktop, and it's also optimized for mobile. So keep in mind, most of your customers are going to be coming from their phones. So you do want to do a majority of your edits on mobile. If you guys want to make any adjustments to the images, one thing that you have to do, you cannot do it on this page, but you'll have to go back to your product page. So you're going to go back from online store to home and then go to products. And then right here, this is where you'll make adjustments to not only the description here, but also all the images. So you can remove these images, you can add images. If you guys want to go into Nano Banana and create AI images, you're going to insert them all here. And then once you save, it's going to then reflect on that theme. If we go back to online stores, and then we can edit our theme, and you'll see that it reflects on your own product page. So this is the home page. And then as we go into the shop now, this is going to direct us again to the product page that we saw earlier. But yeah, this is what the store looks like. That's pretty much it. We built it in 10 minutes. You guys just save yourself 2 weeks of work. But what most people do with this time is that they take it and they immediately launch another product, or, they build another store, or they start testing random stuff because they're like, I have more time to do that. That is the trap. You guys didn't save 2 weeks so that you could gamble faster. You saved 2 weeks so that you could spend that time on stuff that actually determines if you make money. And we're gonna get to that in a second, but let me show you the other place where AI handles nearly everything. Now here's the thing, you could have the best store in the world. You could have the perfect product. Everything could be set up right, but if no one actually sees it, none of that really matters. So once your store is up, you need traffic. And here's what's working best right now. That's UGC, which stands for user generated content. It's basically regular people that are filming themselves using your product. So this could be unboxing videos, product reviews, all that kind of stuff. And it works because it doesn't look like an ad. It looks like someone genuinely recommending something that they like to their audience, or it's not even people with a big audience, but it's just people sharing their reactions and reviews of said product. Now the problem is that getting real UGC creators is very expensive, and it also takes a lot of time. You're looking at spending anywhere from $200 to $500 per creator, and then you gotta wait for days or even weeks just to get that ad. And if that ad doesn't work, you have to do that whole process again. So it takes a lot of time and money. But here's where AI completely changes the game. You can create UGC style ads in less than 10 minutes. And it looks so realistic that most people can't even tell the difference. I'm gonna guarantee that you guys won't even be able to tell the difference when I show you what I'm about to create. All right, so this is the tool that's gonna make all the magic happen. It's called Arc Ads. I'm gonna leave a link as well to this one for you guys to easily access. So once you create your ad, you log in, you sign up, you're gonna get presented to a dashboard that looks like this. So I did a couple of variations of what this ended up looking like. I'm gonna show you the final product really quick preview, and then I'm gonna show you exactly how I built it.
So I started taking this because I wanted more energy. There's this doctor I follow online, and he said, if you're fatigued and you want more energy, you should be taking NAD+.
All right, that's the first one. This is the second one.
Okay, so I've been taking this NAD+ supplement for about 3 weeks now. And honestly, the difference is pretty noticeable. I'm not crashing in the afternoon anymore.
Like, just listen to the cadence. It actually sounds like it's a real person. It's not, it doesn't even sound like fully scripted, right?
So I started taking this because I wanted more energy.
I'm going to mute this real quick, but I want you to just look at the actual product. You're not going to tell me that that doesn't look real. Like, come on, it's actually crazy. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Now, first thing that you want to do is press new project like this. And then we're going to go to see more. We're going to scroll down to Sora 2 Pro. This is what's going to do everything for us. All right. So the next thing that you want to do is get a clear image of the product. So you can go on the product page like this and use Nano Banana to get a cutout transparently just like this. So I'm going to take it, head back into ArcAds, and we're going to add this as the reference image. Open. So the next thing, and this is really important, is going to be this prompt right here. So it's UGC style video, a 30-year-old woman holding the product. This is where you can insert your script. So put whatever you want. So it's basically what she said within the video. And that is pretty much it. You press create and it's going to start doing the render. So this is going to take about maybe like 10 minutes to fully render, and then you're going to have your video. I also went ahead and created this step-by-step guide with a bunch of different prompts and templates that you guys can use. It's going to be totally free. You can see like it's pretty detailed and it pertains to, you know, what you guys are currently watching. If you want it, I'll leave it below. So at this point, you guys got pretty much everything. You got your store, you got your ads, almost all of it. There's the thing, AI UGC, it's going to be perfect for what we are doing right now, which is testing fast and for a fraction of the cost to figure out what actually works. Then once you know that whatever you have is working, you can start looking to hire real creators, because that's the reality. Real people, real reactions, it creates real trust, which means that, you know, you're going to make more money, more sales. So for now, what you should do is you should use AI to validate the concepts. And then once you find a winner, you can bring on real creators and then scale. Now, most people, they get to this point, pretty much everything's set up, but here's where it gets really tricky. When it's time to actually launch and start spending money, that is when questions start to appear. So is this product worth testing? Do I kill an ad or do I give it more time? And that's where most people freeze up, because they don't have anyone confirming they're making the right call. So what do? They either quit on something that could have worked, or they keep burning money on something that was already dead and never had a chance. That is exactly where my mentorship program comes in. Me and my team, we work with you one-on-one. You show us your product, we tell you if it's worth testing, you show us your numbers, we make the call on what to kill versus what to scale. So we're basically in there running it with you in real time. So if you're watching this and you're like, you know what, I want to get this done right now. I want to hit the ground running as quickly as possible, and I want to do it the right way. We are still screening people for this program. So I'll leave a link below for you guys to apply, and we will see if you're a good fit. But either way, here is what a lot of people miss, what I was talking about earlier. So you just used AI to handle all the execution stuff, and you saved a ton of time. But that time isn't necessarily so you can launch faster. It's so that you can focus on the stuff that's actually going to give you an edge. And let me explain what I mean. So if you are sourcing from AliExpress, you got this same exact margins as everybody else, which means the only way to win is to outspend your competitors on ads. So here's what the people who make this work are doing differently. They are going direct to wholesale platforms and building relationships with not only agents, but also manufacturers, which gives them better pricing, faster shipping, and access to stuff like custom packaging that AliExpress sellers, they will never get you. So I want to show you the easiest way to do this if you guys are, you know, a complete beginner and you don't know how to directly work with manufacturers or find these wholesale websites that are going to service you properly. It's this website right here. It's called TeamDrop, which gives you guys direct access to, as you can see right here, 1688, which is the wholesale version of AliExpress. There's also Taobao right here, but I'm gonna show you guys the pricing really quick, and it's extremely dramatic. Regular product on AliExpress, the product price is $25.73. There's this deal right here, which is for like welcome, like your welcome offer. If you continue to buy the product, it's gonna be $25 or around there. Now that same exact product, right? That same exact product is on TeamDrop for a fraction of that price, anywhere from $336 to $996, depending on which variant that you select. So that's one thing. It's already going to be a lot cheaper. You are not going through another person in between that's really just upcharging you. Now, that is one thing. Another thing is the shipping time. So if we go over here, we can see the various shipping methods. You get access to some of the fastest, most reliable lines like UniExpress. Right here, we can get the shipping times down with UniFast Electro, 5 to 8 days for $10. So get your product quicker to your customer. The product itself is going to be cheaper on here. And then if you guys want to work with direct with your agent, you just have to hit that WhatsApp icon, and every single account gets access to their own dedicated agent. So someone that knows everything about your store, someone that can easily answer any questions, something going wrong with a product, then you can just contact this agent and they're going to be able to assist you. It's like having someone over text that you can get all your questions answered. So look, AI just gave you guys something powerful. You can build a store and create ads that look extremely realistic in less than like 30 minutes. But what most people ignore is that they still have to make the important decisions: which products to test, where to source, when to scale, what to kill. So what actually works is using AI for the execution. Yes, what we just did. Then spending this extra time that we have for better economics, for better validation, for better decisions, more time on what's actually going to move the needle. Okay, so in summary, AI, it gives you speed. You guys need to bring the direction. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this was helpful. I appreciate you guys for watching as always, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.